Hi, it's Adam Hewis, and I'm coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And today is a sort of milestone in a way. We're looking at the euro versus the dollar. And as you can see, the euro has been moving up quite well, actually very well. And for the first time, it penetrated the 150 level. Now this in FX terms is a big deal. Usually when you get the big numbers, the 140, 150, 160, these are all psychological numbers that the markets tend to magnetize to and pay attention to. Now, if you looked at our earlier video on September 25th on this market, you'll see we've been spot on. And we make some remarkable predictions for when the dollar is going to bottom out, which we think is going to be in Q4 of 2011, and where we think the euro is going to head. So here's the pivot point. We've talked about these before, the double bottom. The move up, we're looking at a 165 target zone near term. I should say near term, we're looking at 165 as a target zone. The market should have resistance around the big numbers. You see here, this is the 160 level. We've always talked about the big numbers being resistance or support. And we look for this market, at least in the near term, to possibly trade up to these lows, about the 153 level, and before finding some resistance. But again, the dollar is clearly under pressure. The euro is strongly moving higher, and we expect that trend to continue. I strongly recommend you take a look at our earlier video on September 25th, where we go through all the points that are very important in this market. And let's just, for example, put in our, take everything off the screen and just put in our trade triangle so you'll see exactly what I mean. So here's the weekly trade triangles, and here's the daily trade triangles. So you can see pretty active, but the weeklies are definitely the ones to watch here, as they've actually got some very nice moves in this market. So let's take a break. Let's come back and we'll look at some other things as well. So stay tuned to the Market Club station and we'll keep you informed with all the moves in the markets. Hey, have a great day. I'll be back soon.